Hey guys, welcome to Help Screen. And if you want to set the screen color back to normal on your Android phone, I will show you multiple ways. So first, just simply go ahead and go to your settings. So you could go through the settings by going to the settings application, or if you don't see the settings application, you could use the notification bar over here and select the gear icon on the top right. So now from here, just simply scroll down and you should be able to see accessibility. So guys, here on the accessibility, in some Android devices, it will be different. So in some cases, it will be color and motion. In some cases, it will be vision enhancement. So for me, I have here visibility enhancement. So tap on that. And from here, you should be able to see multiple options. So from here, I have a color adjustment over here. So tap on it and make sure to turn this off in order for you to get it back to normal. So pretty much guys, when it comes to the accessibility, it will be different depending on your Android device. And you could just simply go ahead and comment down below if you are having any problems, and I will try my best to answer them. And that's simply about it. I hope this video helped you understand more. If you do, leave a like. Thanks for watching.